So when I turned 16, my dad got me a Volkswagen. And now,
Really?
yes, that's why that's why
Wow, I'm not teasing you. Believe me, I'm not teasing
like,
you.
where are you? Like, but
Can you close the listen, because food and restaurant, and
Yes.
I am on a diet, so I don't have to eat more and more. I want to lose some weight.
diet. Why are you on a diet? Diets are terrible. They're no.
I have like not big belly. It's a belly, a baby belly. I have
Everyone has a little belly. It's just normal, and it's just normal.
I don't know, but when I buy a t-shirt, I face problems because I want to wear large size.
Yeah.
So with my big belly, so I have to wear X large size.
Oh my God. Here's my problem. I'm like, being skinny, food. Being skinny, food. Food always wins because I love food. I want to eat food more than I want to be skinny. That's my problem.
So on contrary to me, you are skinny, so you face difficulties to find t-shirts.
No, this is my problem. I am, one moment. Hold on.
Okay.
I am 183 centimeters tall.
100 and what?
83.
Wow.
Yeah.
I think I guess that because you look long. Yeah.
I am long. I'm very long. This is my problem. I have to shop for special pants because all of the pants are too short. That's my problem. It's terrible.
Yeah, you can consider it like a model, a new model.
No. No. The only thing is my height. Nothing else is like a model. Nothing else. Just the tall. But yes, it's a problem. It's a terrible problem.
So you saw my video with you yesterday?
What?
Yeah, you saw my video conversation with you yesterday?
Oh no, I saw it today.
So I owe you a comment.
You're right. Okay. You're right. You're right. I promise I will do this.
I can see something in your whiteboard. Did you study today?
I did. Well, I think this was from yesterday actually, because today I had an exam. I had a test.
Yeah.
And this was something I could not remember the difference between. So I wrote it down so that I could look at it every day. So I could try to remember.
I thought I am the only one to write something in my walls. I my room's full of paper. Hang it to the wall present perfect. I have to memorize it. Wow, because every time I want to memorize the grammar structure, I read the present perfect. Yeah, now it's okay. And when I read another tense, I forget the previous tense. Oh my goodness, what's wrong with me? Yeah, believe me, I don't know. So I think this is a good way to memorize things.
So helpful. Every time I come into my office, I see it on the wall, and I'm like, every time I come in, yes, it's very helpful. It's very helpful. But I passed the test. I did really good, so I can erase it now. I can erase it. I'm all done.
Hey, congrats.
Thanks.
Thanks. So you will be a doctor someday, and maybe I have to call you doctor from now.
Listen, one day, yes, you will come back to me. I will say, guess what? You need to call me now. Yes, one day.
So How many years in medical school do you have, guys, in America?
Well, I'll tell you. So
Okay.
if you want to go to medical school,
Mhm.
first you have to go to a regular college or university, and you have to earn a bachelor's degree. Then after you have a bachelor's degree, then you can go to medical school. But you have to have a bachelor's degree to go to medical school.
A bachelor's degree deals with what?
Anything. It can be business,
Really?
it can be music, it can be science,
Wow.
whatever you
And then
want.
you will be and then you will be a doctor?
No, but then after you have your bachelor's degree, then
Okay.
you go to medical school for another 6 years, for more time, and then you learn how to be a doctor. And your bachelor's degree, it doesn't even matter. You don't use it. You never use it.
Yeah.
It's weird. It's really weird.
Okay. Yeah, it's very weird. So, what was your degree, bachelor's degree?
So my bachelor's degree was biology and chemistry, and now I'm finished with my bachelor's degree. Now I'm in the medical school part. So I've already been doing school for 5 years, and I have 5 more years to finish.
But you are clever because you chose a good field related with your with medical.
Exactly. That is what most people do. My dad is a doctor, and he chose business. So he had a business bachelor's degree, and then he went to medical school. So for him, it's helpful because he knows everything about business and he knows how to be a doctor. So he has his own business, and he knows how to do everything. So business or
I think
those are good.
Yeah, but he got like a great two things: business and medical.
Great.
And I'm pretty sure you have a Lamborghini when you cross 16.
Maybe my dad. Me, no.
So do you, maybe I guess you have Volkswagen.
That's really weird that you say that. Why? Why did you guess that?
I don't know. Maybe because when your father got a business, so and then got like a medical degree, and he's a wealth man, and I guessed, I already guessed like hey like I forget, like it's a good way to reward his daughter to give her like when she crossed 16 birthday,
so
like a Lamborghini.
So when I turned 16, my dad got me a Volkswagen, and now
really
yes, that's why
wow, I'm not teasing you, believe me. I'm not teasing you.
Like, where are you? Like, but just recently, 2 months ago, I bought a new car. So just recently I switched. I have a new car now. But for years I drove a Volkswagen, and I just stopped driving a Volkswagen 2 months ago. So that's weird. That's very weird. You're pretty good.
Maybe I have luck with you because I guess that.
Crazy. So crazy. Yes, but Volkswagen, I always wanted to have this car when I was little. I was always talking about it when I was, a little girl. And so my dad was like, okay, here's a Volkswagen. And it was reasonable. Volkswagens, they're not very expensive like a Lamborghini, It's a reasonable car.
Yeah, maybe you will got after 1 year working with the medical field, you will get Lamborghini.
No,
I'm pretty sure.
I don't want.
If you make like 100 surgery operation a year, maybe.
I will tell you, the car that I want a Tesla. I don't want a Lamborghini.
Wow.
That's what I want. I want a Tesla.
You are very
don't care.
ambitious.
I don't care about Lamborghinis. I don't care about
Yeah.
anything. Only Tesla. That's what I want.
What color do you prefer?
Ooh. Honestly, probably red.
Right. Yeah, I had a red car before, but I sold it like a month ago.
Oh, terrible, terrible. You know, here in the US, it's so ridiculous. If you have a red car versus okay, let's say you have a Toyota and it's white. Your insurance will be cheaper if you have a white car versus a red car. If you have a red car, your insurance is more expensive only because of the color. It can be the same car, and if it's red, it's more expensive. Why? Why? It's only the color. It's only the color, but it's more expensive. So
sort of weird. This law.
I want to know. I know, right? I want to know what is the reason for this. It's so strange. But one day, money will not be a problem for me. I will just be, throwing money. It won't be.
So do you prepare to deal with the blood with these stuffs? Because I had an experience with blood when I saw my wand what do you call it? Blow from my wand, blood from.
Yeah, like you're like a bleeding. You could say it was bleeding.
Yeah, my wand is bleeding.
Yeah.
I immediately, I don't know what do you I put off.
Oh,
like when I feel
you passed out. Passed out.
No, passed
you,
out. Like I lost control to my whole body.
Did you lose consciousness? Like, did you go to sleep, kind of?
Yeah. You call it passed
out or passing out. Mm-hmm. Wow.
Pass out. So what would you what do you call it when someone like already dead?
Oh God.
Passed out.
No,
it's the same.
No, that's pass away.
Pass
different.
away. No,
different. Very,
pass
very
out.
different.
Okay, I am pass out because I am here speaking with you. Not my ghost. So maybe I am. Maybe I'm not Ahmed. This is my ghost because I guess
I'm gonna be thinking now. Like, is he real? Like, is he even real? So you could not be a doctor. You could not be a doctor.
Yeah, I have good news. I made a reservation for 3 classes this week with you.
I saw that. I was like, oh my gosh, I get to see him so much. This is crazy.
Yeah. And actually, I was planning to speak about something, but we get into a lovely conversation with you. So maybe tomorrow. Yeah. I will speak about that. I want to use does. I love to use does because my whole conversation, I didn't use does before.
Really? There you go. You're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah. But yes.
So
go ahead.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me, what are we going to talk about? Tell me the topic.
About does. I want to ask about does.
Okay, great.
But we don't have to. We have to create a third person between us to speak about them, about him or her, to asking with does. Maybe we will make sentences with does. That's where I am.
Sounds perfect. Sounds wonderful. Okay.
Thank you, Doctor.
You're welcome. See you later. Bye.
Bye.